Once it breaks loose, it's pretty much you can go by hand. Remove it. It's one. The other side. Now underneath this, there's a Velcro, pretty much with adhesive on it. So just go slow. So hopefully you can keep the adhesive part on and not remove it.
Velcro is too strong.
The adhesive might, the Velcro might be too strong on it. Yeah.
Yep.
Under it.
We'll keep it on. We'll keep it on. So
Yeah. So it goes in after.
Yep.
There we go. So now we're gonna unscrew the tank. There are 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 8mm. Tank, if you lift it, there's a main fuel line and 2 hoses here. We're only going to disconnect the one, and to do that we're going to put the range underneath. There we go. So we can keep that there. And all we're going to need is pliers to remove. There you go. I'm gonna reinsert this. There, and now with only one. Lift, rotate. There you go. There. You got it there?
Yep.
Cool. So now we expose the airbox. We're going to be able to remove it. Now we would have to remove these. No leaks, no nothing. If you want, you can really remove them if you want to, but we won't.
Here comes the magic.
There we go. Oh, yeah. brand new.
Yep.
DNA made in Greece. Sounds like pre-oiled. There you go. Ta-da! Air filter, DNA filter, all done. When I start, you hear it, right? Make sure everything's running fine.